Another of the 9 categories you mentioned is the fasting on Monday and Thursday. Can you tell us why the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ recommended Monday and Thursday for fasting?
The reason why Prophet ﷺ recommended the Muslims to fast on Monday and Thursday, according to the hadith of Musnad Ahmad, volume number 2, hadith number 8361, the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, when someone asked him that, why do you fast on Mondays and Thursdays? He said, these are the 2 days when the deeds of the human beings are shown to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He pardons the believers, unless 2 believers who don't look at one another. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angel that delay them. That's the reason Prophet ﷺ preferred fasting on these 2 days when the deeds are exhibited to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He preferred fasting on those days. Further, there's a hadith in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, book of fasting, hadith number 2606, that once a person asked the Prophet that, why do you fast on Mondays? The Prophet said, I fast on Mondays because that is the day that I was born. And that is the day when the Quran was revealed to me. So because of these 2 reasons, fasting on Monday is also recommended.